This is his triumph. Standing up in his chariot, the pharaoh makes for the dais where his throne awaits him. The court, the priests, the people present him with praise, incense, and offerings. He receives the double crown and, mounting his triumphal chariot, goes to worship in the temples of Harmakis, Cheops, and Khephren. Long live the pharaoh! The mysterious characters suddenly woke up, fluttered and sang like creatures of the fields as the sun rises. It is as if in answer to a celestial call of trumpets, old Egypt had risen from its grave, young and immortal. Young, immortal, and rich in beauty, like Nefertiti.
Unearthed from their deep silence, the papyri rustled with 100 voices.
You are there with me, everywhere, with every step. My hand is in your hand.
Listening to your voice troubles my mind. My whole life hangs on your lips. For me, seeing you is better than eating or drinking.
Such was my message from the depth of the ages. Girls' voices. Tomorrow, once more, the rising sun will give me his first caress. Thousands of other suns shall rise again, and man's oldest achievement will remain the highest, the purest. The Nile be praised, for it is the father of all our harvests, all our knowledge, all our architecture, all our strength.
The Nile be praised. From its banks came one of the 7 wonders of the world.
The Nile be praised, for it bears tomorrow's prosperity and happiness.
The Nile, river of hope, from Aswan to the Delta.
The Nile, which is not a grave,
But a cradle.
in the course of time, only human achievements crumble and